What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's show. If you're like myself and got yourself a nice new cooler this summer, there's going to be two things you want to do with it. Stow it safely and secure it from theft. On today's episode, we got two products that are going to help us do it, and we're talking about it next. Alrighty guys, whether you want to protect your cooler from somebody stealing it or you just want to secure your cooler and the valuable things inside it during transit, whether that's on your four-wheeler, your RZR, your boat, your truck bed, if it's a flatbed truck or trailer, some of those times it is nice to have your cooler secured and strapped down. I know at the Crooked Creek tournament, they had a couple of four-wheelers with some coolers strapped to the front and back. So it is a pretty unique way to keep your cooler safe and secure wherever you're taking it. Aviv is a company that sent us over a couple products, and we're going to demonstrate them for you guys. But before we do, the cooler we're using today is the brand new Permafrost rotomolded coolers from here in Montana, Bozeman, Montana to be exact. Justin Gibson, shout out. Pretty cool little cooler. You know, this is the 20 quart. They make a 45 and 75 quart. It is Montana made here in Montana. And yeah, pretty cool little cooler. We could do a review on this if you guys want, but we don't got time for that. It does come with a cutting board and tray on the inside. So pretty badass little cooler. Let's get into how to secure it. The first product that Aviv sent over to us is the Cooler Tiedown Kit. I don't know if that's going to focus for you guys. It should. It's a GH5. We all know how the autofocus is on that son of a bitch. But yeah, this is the Cooler Tiedown Kit. Pretty cool little kit. It does come with these little braces. The thing about these guys is they are very low profile. So you just take 4 screws and drill them into whatever you want to secure, whether that's your truck bed, your trailer, your boat, whatever. And they're low profile. And then there's a little strap that goes through that with a ratchet, I do believe, at the end, and it just ties down pretty securely. I'll kind of demonstrate for you guys. And these cords are cut to length, so they will fit your giant 175 200 quart coolers. Okay, as you guys can tell, it's a long cord. For this little 20 quart, I'm not going to need that much. So what you would do is you would drill your little bracket in wherever it fits your cooler, and then you run this strap through it, up and around, all the way through the little straps here on the cooler that are built for actual tie-down straps, and just strap her down. You can also do it through the handle if it's on the bigger coolers. But in general, just run it through the little strap here on the cooler. I'll actually do it on this side. Just to demonstrate for you guys, there is a little strap right here. You just run it through just like that. This is a brand new cord, so she's kind of tangled up. There you go. Run it through, and then you run it through the strap, the buckle that is buckled down. Run it up and around, and give her a little tighten. That's how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty nice, and then it tightens down, and your cooler is secure, just like that, boys and girls. So yeah, that's pretty simple, pretty standard for that one. It does come with 2 feet. I'm out of frame there, sorry guys. It comes with 2 feet, 8 screws, 2 straps, and I believe no instructions. No instructions on that. But there is a little card here with their social media and all the goodies on it. But it is pretty straightforward, guys. Just drill your feet in appropriately sized to fit your cooler, obviously. And then on the cords here, you can cut the ends off, and then just take a barbecue lighter or cigarette lighter or whatever and melt the ends so they do come out not frayed. That's the first item, guys. Let's get on to the next one. The second item for review is the Cooler Cable Lock Kit. Now this kit is actually a pretty cool little kit. This is going to be more of your theft protection. It comes with this little bar. It slides into the strap clip. Same thing that this is strapped to. And then you take your cord and you tie it through the hole and then lock her down. It does provide a little lock for you, but I would suggest getting your own lock with your own key. It's just a little more durable. But this lock is pretty simple, guys. I'll demonstrate on this camera. Like I said, these little cable tie down spots, they are what you're going to want to look for these. This should fit the Yeti Tundra, the whole lineup series. Really any rotomolded cooler with some tie-down straps, it should fit in theory, because they all, in theory, copied Yeti. This is built for a Yeti, so hey, should work, right? It does. It does work. You're just gonna take this bad boy, slide it on in, close that cooler up, and now you got a bracket that's actually attached to your cooler. The only way to really take it off would be to undo the strap, because this, once it's strapped in, ain't going anywhere. So you can also lock your cooler into place just like that. So pretty simple, guys. I don't actually have anything to strap it to, but you just run the little end of the lock all the way through, just like that. Doink. And she locks in place. So that's it for those guys. The product links will be in the description below. Check them out. Let me know what you think. And if you do order them, there is 15% off each of these items with the links that you use in the description below. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was useful for you. We're going to have one more little video like this before the start of Canyon Ferry Walleye Festival video. So stay tuned, guys. You're not going to want to miss it. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. We'll check you in the next one.